Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to react to someone's story in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the stories option in the bottom right corner. Here you can see the stories that were posted by your friends. Now click on the one that you wanna react to. Here you can see the emojis in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on the emoji that you like. And that is how you can react to someone's story in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.